Hey there, everyone. It's JD, Smart Cleaner. As you can see through the window here, it is pretty darn cold where I'm at right now. It just reminded me of a great tip that you need to give all your cleaning staff, especially the ones that carry their equipment home with them at night or keep their equipment in the trunk of their vehicle. In this type of weather, in the northern climates, northern US and Canada, when they're traveling around with the vacuum cleaners and spray bottles, etc., etc., um, if they're not dropping them off back at your office, make sure they're bringing them into their home at night, so that they don't freeze up. This is something that's happened early on in my career in the cleaning business that was a big issue. The cleaners were lazy. They would leave them in their trunk, and when they got to the job to clean the next day, sometimes the cleaning products were frozen, and the hoses and plastic parts on the vacuum cleaners, if you turn them on or bend the hoses in any way while they're still frozen, the hoses will snap and break. And there's some plastic parts inside a vacuum cleaner that when you turn it on and they start activating can just shatter because they're so fragile from being frozen. So make sure in the colder climates and weather like this that you direct your staff to make sure they're bringing in these items when they go into their house at night. Just set them at the door if they have to, stick them in the front closet, whatever, so they're out of the way, so that you don't run into these problems and you're having to pay a lot of money to replace vacuums, and they're ineffective at doing their job because their products are frozen. Anyways, hope that's a helpful little tip. Thanks so much, and those of you in the warm weather, enjoy the warm weather, and hopefully we can get out of this cold soon.